How to fix YouTube no internet connection error. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you're going to enable cellular data access. So you're going to do that by heading over to your iPhone settings. We're just going to head back to our home settings page. From here, you're just going to tap on cellular. From the cellular, you're going to scroll down to the YouTube app on the list. So we're going to click on show all. And then from here, we're just going to look for YouTube. From there, just make sure that the toggle is switched on. If cellular access was accidentally toggled off, YouTube will claim there's no internet connection whenever you leave Wi-Fi. Next thing is to turn off low data mode. So you're going to do that by staying in the settings. You're going to tap on Wi-Fi and then you're going to tap on the info icon next to your connected network. From here, you're going to click or you're going to turn off low data mode. You're going to do the same under the settings and then in cellular. So you're going to tap on cellular and then from here, you're just going to make sure or you're not in low data mode because it can stop YouTube from establishing background network channels. Next thing that you can do is to reset network settings. So you're going to head over or you're going to stay in the iPhone settings. You're going to tap on general and then from here, you're going to click on transfer or reset iPhone. And then from there, you're going to just click on reset. And then here you're going to just choose Reset Network Settings. This clears out saved Wi-Fi passwords and corrupted network configurations that prevent apps from seeing your live internet connection. Lastly, you're going to toggle local network permissions. So once again, you're going to stay on your iPhone settings. And then from here, you're going to tap on Privacy and Security. Or if you can't find that, you can just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security from there. And then here, you're going to tap on your local network. From the local network page, you're going to try and find YouTube, and then you're going to toggle the switch off and then on again. Reauthorizing network permission clears hidden iOS security blocks, preventing the app from going online. And that is how you're going to fix YouTube no internet connection error. If this video helped you or if you're interested, I've linked the product link down below.